All the pieces for the stuffed fox, and I need you guys to be mindful that these have to meet each other to become a triangle. So you want to make sure that you are meeting them and taping them so that they become a triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do that now. I cut this, see where it says fold? I cut this on a fold so that when I open it, that's the whole front of the fox. So you'll see here I have all my pieces cut out. The only thing that I need to do to make sure to remember is I actually would like my tail to have its contrast piece sewn right. Contrast bit, the contrast is on the end of the tail. I'm going to do the same thing for the ears. Fits perfectly in the ear like that. So now I'm going to sew these pieces together and I'll be right back. That I am using a white woven for the contrast, so I'm actually going to I cut two of the face because I'm actually going to sew the face and turn it inside out so that it has a nicer edge on the final. Then I'm going to put this contrast onto the face before we sew everything together. I'll show you that. So I've sewn all the pieces together, and while I was hand sewing those, I decided I didn't want to hand sew the face, so I actually sewed the face with a sewing machine, a bit different. So now all of these are going to be stuffed, and then we're going to put her together. Thing is stuffed. I'm now going to put my good side down. I am going to put make sure that my white ear is facing the white face and the white ears facing the white face so that the ears will stick up with the white in the front. The tail is white on both sides, so that doesn't matter. So I'm just going to leave the tail right there. And then I'm going to actually put one leg beside the tail and the other leg beside the tail. And then I'm going to put an arm here and the other arm here. And what I'm going to do next is I'm actually going to stitch up the back, and then I'm going to put the back on top and pin it. I forgot that the tail goes in the back of the fox and not at the bottom by the legs, so I actually sewed that in there. And now I'm going and I have pinned all the way around and so ready to go. Here's the fox all sewn up, and close off the back. And I think I'm going to need some extra stuffing. Be right back. And just remember that you want to sew up the back with an invisible stitch, and then you are all ready to have your fox. So thanks everybody for joining me on our very rushed but very important plushie videos today. The fox was the third one for me today. I have students doing the fox, I have students doing the scrappy cat, and students doing the owl. So if you would like to follow along in any of these videos, you'll find the links in the description. Otherwise, maybe you want to make these for your house or your children, or maybe my students just need help step by step. So anyway, have a great day. This is your sewing teacher. If you like any of these videos, give me a thumbs up or press the subscribe button. Thanks everybody.